Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn off bolt text in your Motorola Moto G15. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Motorola Moto G15 and you are wondering how to turn off bolt text. So in order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Moto G15 settings section. After click over there, you need to click here display. After click over display, you will find here something say display size and text. From here we'll see something say bold text. So if you decide to turn off, you can simply turn this off. So immediately your phone going to be turned off bold text. So in this simple way you can easily turn off bold text. Now you might be want to turn on it again. You can go again here in this settings section display and click here display and size, and you can simply turn this on. So in this simple way you can easily turn on or off bold text in your Moto G15. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.